Tata Trust is facing fresh scrutiny over compliance with governance rules, and it could change how the board is structured. The concern revolves around a recently introduced legal provision that limits the number of life trustees. And if corrective steps are not taken quickly, the Charity Commissioner of Maharashtra would have to step in. So what's the key issue? Let's break it down. At the center of the matter is the Sir Ratan Tata Trust, one of the key shareholders in the Tata Group. Tata Trusts owns about 66% of Tata Sons, the holding company of the group. The issue arises from Section 30A, subsection 2 of the Maharashtra Public Trusts Act of 1950, placing a cap on perpetual or life trustees. It states that the number of trustees cannot exceed 1/4 of the total number of trustees at any point in time. At present, the Sir Ratan Tata Trust has 6 trustees. Out of these, 3 are life trustees: Jimmy N. Tata, brother of late Ratan Tata, Noel Tata, and Jahangir H.C. Jimmy Tata has held the position since May 1989. Noel Tata and Jahangir H.C. were inducted as life trustees in February 2019. The other trustees, Venu Srinivasan, Vijay Singh, and Darius Khambata, are on fixed tenure. So this means 50% of the board holds lifetime positions, which is double the permitted limit of 25%. To comply with Section 30A, subsection 2, the number of life trustees would need to be reduced to just 1. However, this does not necessarily mean a complete exit. 2 of the 3 current life trustees would need to step down. They can seek reappointment with a fixed tenure through a vote by the trustees. Legal experts suggest that in this situation, the last in, first out principle may apply, which means the most recently appointed trustees could step down. So how did this matter reach the regulator? The issue was formally raised by a public interest lawyer, Katyayani Agrawal, who has written to the Charity Commissioner of Maharashtra. The representation argues that the current board composition violates the law and goes against its objective of ensuring transparency. It has also urged Tata Trusts to convene a board meeting within 7 days. If it fails to act, the Charity Commissioner can initiate regulatory proceedings and enforce changes. However, this isn't the first governance-related development. Last year, the Sir Dorabji Tata Trust, another core shareholder of Tata Sons, saw internal changes during trustee reappointments. In that process, Mehli Mistry was ousted as a majority of trustees voted against his reappointment. This development is significant from a governance perspective as well. Legal experts say that the provision is binding in nature and aims to ensure accountability in the governance of public trusts. The Tata Trust now has a narrow window to act. With stricter rules in place, greater accountability is clearly the focus. Any delay in delivering a resolution could lead to closer scrutiny from authorities. Follow Business Standard for more such stories.